In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete post on TikTok. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any device you're using, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So what you want to do is go over to your TikTok application. By default, you're going to be on your For You page. But from here on the bottom right, go ahead and click on your profile. You're going to see any of your posts. So as you can see, I have one post right here. Let's say I want to go ahead and delete it. So what you want to go ahead and do is click on whichever post you want, press the three little dots, which is going to be on the bottom right under the bookmark icon, and then you're going to see a lot of options here. But I want to keep scrolling, and I see privacy settings, so I can make it private if I want to, like if I want to keep it for myself but not show it to others. But if I scroll even further, I see delete. Go ahead and press that, and then it's going to say delete and re-edit, or just delete. And then all I want to do is press delete right there, and then that's it. It's now fully gone from my profile, deleted, no one can see it, not even you. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.